standing in the Hall of Fame, and the world's gonna know your name.
Leo Palayeng is one of the pioneering architects of electronic Acholi music, producer and DJ. He has been a trailblazer in his community, empowering many young people with music production skills while also bringing the great vocalist and musician Team Alpha to the international stage. Leo can turn up the temperature on the dance floor anytime with his fast-paced hypnotic dance music, Acholi-tronics, 150 BPM and up.
Diese Musiker alle nicht. Aber das erinnert mich an das erste Mal, als ich die Schule geschwänzt habe. Damals hatte kaum jemand einen Videorekorder, also ging ich zu einem nahegelegenen Kino. Ich linste durchs Fenster und da sah ich zum ersten Mal Breakdance.
Leo Palayeng has stood the test of time to promote the music culture of the Acholi, an ethnic group of the River Lake Nilotes. Leo Palayeng is inducted in the Hall of Fame because of his achievement being one of the pioneering artists in the new music genre called Acholi-tronics. He has partnered with the likes of Team Alpha Zaite. Leo Palayeng has been promoting entertainment through his cultural music. He has also been advocating for women's rights, children's rights, and during the time of LRA war, he used to sing for peace to return in the northern part of Uganda into the Hall of Fame. Thanks for whatever you have done, and may God bless you as you continue helping the Acholi people. Leo Palayeng. Welcome to the Nilotic Hall of Fame. Acholi-tronics or Electro Acholi, a new musical arts creation from the backbone of Acholi cultural music from northern Uganda, East Africa, being blended in electronics from local instruments of Africa by the duo Leo Palayeng, who is a producer, singer, writer, composer, instrumentalist, and Team Alpha, who is a percussion singer, writer, and instrumentalist. Superfast danceable music with BPM between 109 to 170. Album double, vinyl Guru Anthem already in international stores, already performed in various international festivals, and Sound, Krakow, Poland 2017, Berlin in 2017, Roskilde in 2018, Africa Novo in Kenya 2017, South Africa in 2017, Nyege Nyege Festival Source of the Nile in Uganda, Closed Door Events Les Sucres in France 2018, Ancien Belgique in Brussels in Belgium 2018, Levante 79 Tel Aviv Israel, La Porte Paris 2017, and so on. That's all about electronics, actually electronics or electro actually.